How to start an Etsy shop. Well, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell on Etsy. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So over here, I am on etsy.com/sell. That's where you want to go to. And over here, you have the option to get started. So also over here, you have like the whole explanation of what it's all about and how it works and like the fees and blah, blah, blah. But if you don't care about that and just want to start right away, click on this button. And when you click on there, you have to sign in to continue. So here you want to add an email address. So I'll do that real quick. Here it says create your account. So first name and then password. Then it will say this and you just have to click on let's do this. And here it says what brings you to Etsy. So I'm just starting to sell for the first time. I have a business. I want to expand my online business, blah, blah, blah. So I'll just click the next one, click next. And then is there anything you'd like help with? For example, deciding what to sell, shop naming and branding, selling online. So if you actually need help with something, you can actually click that and then you'll get some extra help. But I actually don't really need this. So I'll just click on next and then it says now time for the fun part, start your shop. So I'll just click on there and this will pop up. So here's the shop language, shop country, and shop currency. So this is actually currently set up pretty well for me. So I'll just click on continue. So here it says name your shop. It currently says Ryan. That's the name I filled in, but I actually don't want to like use this as my shop's name. So I'll just change it to helpful online. And then I'll just click on save and continue again. Here it will say stock your shop. So create a listing, add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So this is basically like your first product that you will have to add. I do believe that you have to add something before you can actually continue. So let's just do that real quick. I'll just, for the sake of this tutorial, since I don't actually have any products I would like to sell, I will just add something real quick. I just added a quick thumbnail of my YouTube channel just for the sake of this tutorial. Here you can also add a preview video, which is nice. Then here you have to add the title. So I'll just call this thumbnail. And then here you have to select about this listing, who made it, what is it, and when did you make it. So who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. And then when did you make it? Recently, like in 2020 to 2023. And then you can select a category. So I'll just do, for example, YouTube in templates, just like that. And then primary color, for example, green. Choose secondary color, blue. And then occasion. I really don't need all of that. This is optional as well, by the way. Where the stars are, you have to do that, but when it's optional, you don't. So renewal options. So each renewal lasts for 4 months or until the listing sells out. So this listing will renew as it expires, or you have to manually renew this. So it's up to you. And here, physical or digital. Well, this is a digital product because, it's in this case, a thumbnail, not really something you can have in hand. So here you have to add a description, a brief overview of what it's all about. So I'll just, say thumbnail. Like real quick, just so there is something there. You can also add a production partner. Here you have to add some tags. So this is also optional, materials optional, but tags is actually like definitely recommended because, when people search for different tags, your item might also pop up. If you don't add any, then, it might not. So here, add a price. I'll just do like $10. Quantity, I'll just do like 5. So here I actually have to add the digital file. So I'll just, do that. Then before you actually continue, you have to enter all of the shipping. So you'll have to add the country of origin or origin postal code, processing time, then the standard shipping and all of that. So I'll just fill that in real quick. And then you can actually click on save and continue. It says great job on your first listing. You're one step closer to your first sale. So then you can add more listings or do this later. Here is how you'll get paid. So select country. So I'll just select my country over here. And then here it says for tax purposes, what type of seller are you? Individual or business. So if you are a business, then you need to be registered as a business, or if you're individual, you don't have a business. So that's it basically. And then here you have to tell them a little bit about yourself. So fill all of this in. Then at the bottom, you have to add your bank name, your IBAN, and Swift BIC. So basically your Swift BIC is specifically like the international code for your bank. So search up your bank, so name and then Swift code like behind it, and then you will find it. So then here you have to verify your ID. So I'll just select the document type, so in my country, and then the identity card, and then here I have to choose a file of my ID. So then once you've saved all of that, here you have to set up like how you'll get paid. So once per week, for example, once every day, once 2 weeks, or once per month. I'll just do, for example, per month, and I'll just click on save and continue. So here you have to set up billing, because you also need to pay some fees sometimes. So you can either add a credit card or pay with PayPal. So I'll just add my PayPal. And then here you have to keep your shop extra safe. So here you can choose an option. You can do it via SMS, phone, call, or the Authenticator app. So that really like depends on what you would like, but I'll just do SMS and then hit continue. Then it will give you like some backup codes that you can use if you cannot use your phone anymore. And you can save this on your device, for example, or copy the codes, then click on open your shop. And boom, there you go. This is how it will look like after you've done all of the steps. And now you can use Etsy however you would like to. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.